again. Mentally, you're moving. Almost there, I'm in fever.
Mama kwaba eba the journey so abribia ye hia na anije aba free seminim se me ba bedi nkomo na mesia baby e de abopra na enne nkomo twetwe ne de ebe de just be nika free sem guest na de oye strong kokora na ansa na ye mfa sida emma ahwefo a ewo fie se na wotwe bia edu 6:30 a na maji pray atna se na mahwe the journey ewo baby a na ye kai mo se ye streaming ewo live on Facebook, and you can also watch us wherever you are. Oko Facebook now internet nkwadia oko Adum TV obetimi ahwedi cheni nebi na wo swetimi esia adewum yeda aboafo amaso yasin na watching bia metimi program ebro your time herbal mixture or malaria there where you are anytime if you give us clean care for and a lip tomato paste corn makeups and a dank herbal clinic ewo Accra and Kumasi and omaso yasin ya djumade ebro ewo Adum TV so and I'm a guest no or ya bofrebia no ho eni kan kasa just say a done so because oh okay and ye ba be din komo na ye ne ye ba ye nia kumai atwetwe komo no se ye bisa ne say na the journey of life no kwa efri and no obia enimuni she's no other than Nakeeyat. Naki it's say
Pachoye
why you fe
medase
hey Naki life no abonisa na wechiwa no. How do you feel?
I feel good. And okay. Answer your best strategy medium. Your mouth flowers see. Yeah, catch us say your door. What's it? Thank you so much.
You're welcome, darling. And our face so too quiet.
That was my birthday dress.
You see? You like it, huh?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, dear. Nakeeyat, you can't say Nakeeyat, how are you going?
Okay, so I'm Nakeeyat, winner of Talented Kids Season 10.
Okay.
Young Peace Ambassador. I'm 9 years old. I attend school at the Royal School. I am the, what's the name? The Sanitation Ambassador too.
Okay.
And a kid advocate. Many
ambassadorial deals.
Yes.
Hey, Nakeeyat, scanable. Hey, Naki. Catch a man on family embra. Why are you?
Thank you.
You've done so well for yourself. Why are you? When you say Kwada wo fear and show ya no money G, so most of it me ISO.
Yes, please. And I come from Cape Coast.
Cape Coast. It's a fancy.
And I'm also Muslim. And yes.
Muslim.
Thank you.
Yes. And then I inspire you for you say Obeko Talented Kids.
I don't really know, but all I know is I just felt like doing it.
Wow. And I catch your mommy say, Ube Kobe won.
Yes.
No one will be what TV so. It's not person was so Kobe.
Yes. Please.
And you knew so betting ya kasa. Aje. And the fire. Wow. So after Talented Kids now, Oko school no, with your friends cry now we feel it.
And I related normally because I didn't try to have horns and you understand, like differentiate yourself.
TV. It's a catchy, mommy. What's it?
Like
I don't TV. My chin endorse.
Me pese. I don't want to differentiate myself from them because we are all one people, and I don't have to blow one's own trumpet.
Okay, so why you J? Okay, now Maka say Nakeeyat cry J. To be a person who be Diago.
Yes.
School be now.
I attend the Royal School now, but I was attending Pang Baby College.
Okay, where?
At Ejumako.
And I will free horn and now to see what by Royal. Now, I was saying that I won't get you at here. When you just say Nakeeyat, what TV, Oko school or a teacher for the same or more related to you.
Oh, yes, they are all nice.
Yes,
please.
Are you enjoying film?
I can't see anything.
Nakeeyat, you just mentioned like 6 ambassadorial deals. Nakeeyat, you're not enjoying film. Are you enjoying film? Naki, are you not enjoying film?
I don't really know about that, But I would say maybe so.
You don't know?
Yes.
It mean I make a show. Okay, you have not someone I can't. So why you see? Ambassador for this, what for that, and then
actually I left this out and I'm an ambassador for GPS pen.
She. No,
Yes.
when you kaketwa. So when enjoy your film.
Hey, I can't say anything, but maybe so.
Maybe so. It's your funny, sir. Do you have friends?
Yes, I have friends.
Friends.
Some of them are really but funny, sir.
But do you really have like a best friend that my acronyms or your best friend?
Yes.
No, your friend is saying
Elsie.
hey, only in a school.
Yes, please.
Open us and one or your best friend. You only need the concern. What are some of the things you talk about? A school friend in concern.
Hey. We talk about some girl in the classroom that's been doing some nyama things. When you are eating your lunch, you come and beg, and when you don't give her some, she will do konkonsa about you. So you are doing konkonsa to pay her back. So it's fair.
So it's fair. That one is not bad. Or no, do who konkonsa. It is within who konkonsa. I think it's fair. So on the start here.
Yes.
Now so ye be. Wait there is fair. Your favorite teacher? Do you have any?
No, I don't have.
You don't have any favorite. Ope omo na asem. Uko school obe utimi ko school epon na wakoye program.
Yes.
Oye dey sua. You are a poet. Nti oye dey sua wo poem na okeka no.
I learned them like I went to school, right? And I'm going for a program. Okay. So I've gone to school. I come back from home, do my homework, because sometimes I do my homework in the school.
Okay.
When I come back home, I learn. Maybe it's left with only one night for me. Like some people will bring 2 pages of poems and you realize that the poem is tomorrow.
Okay.
You have to learn the poem this evening.
Yeah, one known for.
And say, no.
Do you think it's a gift?
Yes.
No.
Oh, I have a lot of gifts.
Oh, like, okay, mention some.
I can sing, I can dance.
Naki, you can sing.
Yes.
What's your favorite song?
I don't know. Let's
Naki,
see.
what's your favorite song?
Let's see between BTS and Blackpink.
Okay, so sing something for me to
Oh
see.
my God.
Nakeeyat can sing. You have a lot of talent. Nakeeyat can sing. Mama the fans. Yanko.
Okay. Cause I in the night. So watch me bring the fire and set the light. Shoes on, get up in mud, cup roll, let's rock and roll. King Kong, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when walking home, jump up to the top of the boom. Ding dong, call me on my phone. I see in the groove of ping pong. Ha, this is getting heavy. Can you hear the bass boom? I'm ready. Ooh, ooh, life is sweet as honey. Yeah, this beat church like money.
Hey, Naki! Hey, and she wants one jump. Maybe what do you know? Home. And I can't be just kidding. Ah, oh, gee, poem name Ambassador. Do so something new, mama. Can Kakana, you say, you're better Kakana. What's your jack and audio? Are they? Nothing. I don't know.
Oh, it's nothing.
Me pese woka some of the poems now which no like something small now na obi hwewa anwensem kakra be na obetimi aka abra ye kwa akwaje nkratoi anwensem be na obekam ye de akọ.
I'll say a poem about the environment because I've written a book called Trees for Life.
Wow.
And
when are you launching it?
Should I say December or something?
Okay.
I don't really know.
You don't?
So I care about trees a lot, and I have a poem for it.
Okay, let's go. I want to hear.
So I raised up my head and my eyes were filled with tears. Not tears of joy, but tears that sends hearts to oblivion. Tears that sends hearts to Hades. Filled here, filled there. I tiptoed from my feet to meander its way out of this filth that beckons me. When I stepped out of the precinct of a village, when I got to the precinct of a town, and when I got to the precinct of a city, heaps of refuse and filth greeted me with gleefulness. Heaps of refuse greeted me in the proverbial Ghanaian hospitality. Akwabo! Oh, I cried once again. Oh, my dignity as a proud Ghanaian is in doldrums. Why have we let filth and debt engulfed us as a nation? The 1992 Ghana's Republican Constitution, in Article 41G and K, says that the citizen is to contribute to the well-being of where that citizen lives. Please let us try our best to protect and safeguard the environment, because in the beginning, God created heavens and the earth was formless and empty, and when creation story was over, flora and fauna, the plants and animal lives that dazzled the eyes were bequeathed to man. Oto trobonsu, oduma kumapuate, amboyen abrokra. Wadum number ejapate ahoro de yenzizido na yenhweduye na opanda na yama asasefwa riche enyiswe. Why are we destroying the environment? The distraction and the depletion of our resources should stop now. Let us save our Ramsey sites to prevent extinction from endangered species. You are building on waterways, but you see nothing wrong with it. I am talking to you. If the environment has a mouth, she will speak. Say asas you saw one in Chobakasa. You see clean rivers bustling with aquatic lives, and you pollute them with chemicals and machines. A call to action is now. The rains that comes, even though it is not her season, comes in torrent. When it's time for the sun, it gives out its best heat as if it wants to devour its prey. Climate change, global warming, and ozone depletion are beckoning. The garbage you threw into the gutter last night, you knew it wasn't right, but you never bothered. If the environment has a mouth, she will speak. So Asasi Sawana in Chobakasa. Please, should I say, over a period of 100 years, Ghana has lost 80% of its forest cover. Yes, you heard me right. 80% of our forest cover is gone. Fishermen are now catching more plastics than fishes. If the environment has a mouth, she will speak. So Asasi Sawana in Chobakasa. This poem is about our planet. This poem is about our home, our habitat. It's about our continuous existence. This poem is not about our destruction and termination. This poem is about the floods, the hurricanes, tornadoes, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes and tsunamis being experienced day in and day out. This poem is about the extreme climate phenomena being experienced in rapid succession around the globe, such as land degradation, drought and typhoons. This poem, this story, this discourse is asking a question: that can we survive this accelerated climate change? This poem is re-echoing the fears of Antonio Guterres, UN Secretary General, who said we are losing the race to global warming. This poem is to transform quickly the way we produce food, the way we provide electricity, and the way we are destroying our environment. Please, let's respect and safeguard the environment. Thank you.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Thank you.
Meaning so I will feel when the aji was see a abofra be na no artist yen twa ye ho enkwaje nkrato ye ba ye ne Nakeeyat ever to ankomodese yakwaje enkrato aba gusua ehwede Jenny ewo Adum TV so mini Nakeeyat na etwetwe enkomo ewo ahase entijebre na yendi nkomo. Naki, what inspires you?
God.
Oh, I see. And who is your role model?
I don't have a role model.
You don't have?
Or should I say my mom?
Your
and
mom,
my dad
of
and my
course.
teachers.
And your teachers are your
and
role model.
God.
And God is your role model. Hey, then your role model is big. What favorite color, then? What's your favorite color?
Can I choose 3?
Favorite color 1.
Oh. Hey, I can't say blue.
Uh-huh.
I like blue very much.
Yeah, because I can see you like blue. And what again?
I like red.
Red, uh-huh.
I like pink.
So these are your 3.
Purple.
So it's 4.
Yeah, 4.
Okay, you said 3.
And yellow.
Hey, 5. Sister, open colors, Nina.
Yeah, I love all the colors, especially black.
In life, you're 6. In life, you should have a favorite. Also, in your back, be the wood dog pan and the yard they are pay. It's so quite not what could see and why. Oh, my dear, the young factor we need your home.
Black.
So that's your favorite. And no, I are not we need your home power. If at our own.
Yeah, because I'm fair, black makes my skin shine.
Hey, a bit shiny. In future, do you know person obey?
My dream is to be the UN Secretary General.
Okay.
And I want to be the first female president.
Ghana. Go girl. Go girl. What's your president as well? Hey. It's what start you see this ano. What you dear?
That's it.
What mommy? What man is stress swati. So what more talent in them? What my dear Namidia Mount them? And before be brave and omunim, it's omunim the omoye. But would you wait in your master and my dear ope into a bow and my woods missia at the Efa home. Or else our reality shows ya Boba Baye and Namso, a man Nakeeyat, ya no etching common. A year.
Yes,
That's what I'm asking. A young. It's a young Franco B.
Yes.
No most uncle show or more talent.
Yes, please.
If you have to travel, where would you want to go? Which country?
South Korea.
That's where you want to go.
I love Korea.
Recently, look at UK and the US.
I orient to UK.
UK. But come South Korea. Why?
I just like Koreans.
Eh?
I just like Koreans.
I think also be Nintiana.
Yeah. That's what they say.
And the sign warm. Oh, nice. Oh, you're Abena Ghana. Can I also you? What was your Korean? Ain't your mommy need that the wine pan open as him?
I like all of them.
You like no, but you need to have a favorite.
I can't say this so.
You have to.
I didn't say anything.
Yeah. If
I say, I didn't say anything.
Okay, so say it. You didn't say anything.
I didn't say.
Your father. Hey, Nakeeyat, your father. Oh, your father is your favorite one. I didn't hear. On the chair, dear, and only need to grow more when he can in him.
He does everything I want for me.
So you're happy. So, mommy, you're telling we are not telling. Thumbs up. But so what's next now?
Yes, it's good.
It's good.
But my father, you just sit you down and say that what you did is not good. Next time, do this one. Hey, when you finish, you buy yogurt and toffee for you. But mommy, I said papa. So that's why.
That's why you like your father. Nakeeyat, are you serious? Hey, Raddy, and whoa. You so we adverts in my baby. A pay one.
I don't really know about that.
Okay, that's for your mother. So you just do, and do you love doing that?
Yes.
To advertise for other brands. How do you feel when you do?
Yes, please.
We've been seeing you on this one, and then we see you on this one, and we see you on this one. You are blessed.
Thank you.
Yes, because I'm proud of brain, what you went for. But
and I'm also the first ever poet.
Wow.
And I'm the youngest to win talented kids.
Oh, I see what your record needed. What's city? The ever country one, he said, don't let that get so much into you, and you should keep, learning to be the first female president, as you said. Why not? Bibia ebe come answer na yebe kono. Musician Abena Ghana open asempa. Why?
I can't say.
You have to. It's not an offense. I've told you, so you have to get favorites in everything. This life, you need to know what you want, and it's not like you hate somebody. But BBM, as you said, ope daddy asem, and trust who hates mommy, but the love. So musician Bempa na open asempa.
Hey, Auntie, this one I can't say because
Why?
I don't really follow the Ghanaian musicians.
So
that
which
much.
one? Okay, so which one do you follow?
Hey, Auntie, this one.
This one, musician Ben Abena.
Can I say two?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, can I say three?
You can, yeah, say it.
I like IU from South Korea.
Okay, Korea again.
BTS from South Korea.
Korea again.
And Blackpink from South Korea.
The same Korea again.
Yes,
because
Korea,
you're also from Korea. You look like them. So you're also from there. So more now for more seven. Okay, and see, before I hear Bekono, actress Ben Pan up and I know you're FIFA.
I can't say.
Everything you can say, you can say. Which
Auntie,
one?
I can't say.
You have
Can
to.
I mention other ones?
Yes, say it.
Are you from South Korea?
Again? Hey, any Korea now? Are you serious? Why you come to Krat when I there? Me patch on somebody abofra no Korea. No kwhwe ho. Yeah ba. Yakoji and Kratso Alba, me say what's resa ye Nakeeyat and etwetwe komo e wo de Jenny so. Naki, answer na wo bekono o mate te se wo. Afutu be na wo be ka kire mo.
They should learn hard and be themselves and know what they want and follow their heart.
Yada aboa for maso yase na what should be ya did Jenny Ebro e wo Adum TV so. They share me atare ages dazzle obehu ye wo Instagram obetimi so aba. We are located at School Junction Kev hona East Legon Hills Road hona oba atare bia wo pebia obetimi enya. You can WhatsApp us on 0545141143 and I'll bet my follow you on Instagram ages dazzle na what me a shopping with us. Yada masi aha na brebe my dijumadi esi yada Adum TV asi yada your sponsors nyina asi yada your crew obibia will make it this possible. Na me kayo will say and the baby a ye jumadi e Ujaba Palace and a ye shoot to the Jenny season 4. That's a yensa in shia e wo Adum TV so same time same channel and Sanada na kai se nyame wo ma ebeye yi. Midin Eddie Abena Ghana bring her for this year. Middle.
Take this life, cha-cha. Make you know the rush, make you know the fear, cause when you